have a beautiful, amazing aloe plant. She has produced so many babies, and it's time for her babies to become their own mama plants. I'm going to change out their dirt. I'm going to give them some nice fertilizers, and I'm going to give them their own homes. I'd like to give her some fresh dirt. It's been a year. Here's some perlite and vermiculite. I'm going to put that on the very bottom of the pot. That'll just help with drainage and hold a little moisture to the bottom in case the roots ever get that far. I used to use the cactus mix or whatever, but if I just keep some perlite on hand, I don't really need to have that cactus mix. I'll just pour some in here and then just kind of mix it up into the soil real good. Aloe seems to love it. She's having babies all the time. Looks like some good cactus soil, doesn't it? And all I did was add some vermiculite and perlite to a regular potting mix. See that tiny little bit? That's all I'm using. I'm not using a lot. I'll just put it in with that. And the fertilizer I'm using is the only stuff I have on hand right now, which is just a garden fertilizer. In the past, I've used like Miracle-Gro. That works like a charm, but I don't have any of that right now. This is where I get all antsy because I'm always like, oh, I don't want to hurt you. And I use this dirt outside. Don't reuse it inside because I've had a problem with those gnats. I'm in the process of killing those gnats and changing out dirt so that they die. This is her original birth tag from the store. They grow up so fast. I hate ripping you from your mama. You're gonna be okay. I just kind of nudged them a little bit off of the mama, but they have some good roots. So I'm gonna set these aside. See that root going right there? I'm trying to save that. That is their main stem. And I'm trying to find where it connects. There we go. Here's another one. Mama, how you doing? Gonna be okay. Two beautiful plants here. So these are pretty nice. These are all connected and I may leave them that way. I might do that with this one too. This is one big one that's breaking apart. We may have lost a few in there. We lost this one for sure. She didn't have any roots. I feel bad for her. That leaves us with this beautiful specimen. No, I suppose I could take this one off. It is a little rough. I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but I'm doing it. She went in for a birth and came out an amputee. I mean, I don't have plant insurance. Okay, so now is the time to put this big honkin' ball in the pot. So let's try and get you a good view. No! I lost another one! She's never gonna be the same. I don't know if you can propagate off a leaf, but I'm pretty sure you can't. I have my deep well here made. Oh, you're a heavy girl. Not in a fat way. Gently put her in there. I think that's a good location for her. How's that feel? How you like your new home? Empty nesters, I mean, give it a little bit. You're gonna like it after a while. That's what I hear anyway. Your babies are going to a good home. They're going to have their own lives. They're going to make their own babies. You're going to love it. They're going to come home for a visit. And you're going to be like, we don't have any room. Your father turned your bedroom into an office. You know, that kind of thing. You're going to love it. I'm going to call you Joyce because you just seem like a joyful plant and you're such a good mom. I now dub you Joyce. Look at you standing on your own even. You're beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to Joyce. She is a prolific mama and she's gorgeous. She is now going to go and retire to her window. Okay. Oh, I forgot her label. I gotta go back. All right, I'm gonna take this big honking group over here. Since it's kind of a clump, we'll keep it that way. Whoa. Okay, babies, you gotta just hang on for a minute there. Look how good you look. All right, guys, I hope you guys get along. A lot of your brothers and sisters aren't going to have friends, so be grateful that you're in there with family. I think this one is beautiful. I think I'll give them a year to grow, and we'll see who they become. We'll go put you by your mama.